Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own Bane mask that has air constantly circulating through it. I started out by taking this mask and lining the inside with cardboard. Then I just duct taped and glued it down. That way it wouldn't move. And then I had a solid form for the mask. And then I took a knife and I poked holes here and here so that I could put this tube in here so that I have an intake and an outtake tube. Now for the tube half, I took this broken extension cord, ripped those wires out of it, and then I used that casing as a tube for the air to go through, and then I'll glue it on the inside there, outside here, and then over here so that it's tightly on this mask. Now that we have this tube all secured, you're going to take some more of that extension cord and make a U just like this, and then you'll glue it on the mask. I prefer 2 on each side of the mask, and I'll probably do something like that on both sides. Then I took this mask, glued on the 6 pieces, the 2 that run out for air. I hooked up to a air mattress inflator, one for the intake and one for the outtake. That way I have air constantly circulating through. Usually you can buy these for $15 on Amazon, USB powered. That way it can be a battery pack. But for me, I just used one that is plugged into the wall. Now you'll turn the air pump on and put the mask on, and boom, you have a Bane mask that constantly has air circulating through it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.